For introduction, sustainability in construction is vital for project success to addressing environmental concern while meeting public expectation. The industry integrates sustainability criteria in planning and execution because the construction industry play important roles to put the concept of sustainability into practice. And for this study, we analyze the application of sustainability approach and construction management in road construction along the Batu Pahat, Aitam, Keluang Road under contractor Akif Unggul Sdn Bhd. For objective, there are three objectives. First, to analyze the application of sustainability, which is to assess how sustainability practice implement in project, which is highlighting method used and their integration into construction process. Second is to observe the effectiveness sustainability, which is to examine the real world impact of sustainability practice on the environment, economy, society, and recommending area for the future enhance. Third is to implement the knowledge of sustainable construction management construction by comparing with the application, which is to compare theoretical knowledge with observed site practice, identifying gap and area for alignment. For problem statement, there are three problem statements. First is lack of comprehensive analysis of sustainability application in construction project. Second is insufficient knowledge on how sustainability practice affect social, economic, and environment aspect. Third is innovative sustainability practice underlies in construction management.
Next, for now I will explain about chapter 2, which is a literature review. For number 1, sustainability in construction focus on meeting today's needs without harming future generations. It's crucial as construction heavily impacts the environmental through carbon emission, resource use, and waste. Secondly, key particles include energy efficiency, water conservation, and using recycled material from TAMS 207. Certification like LEED and BREEAM guide sustainable building design from MUYEN 217. And last, life cycle assessment (LCA) help minimize environmental impact from construction to demolition. Lastly, by reusing material and adopting eco-friendly innovations, the construction industry can reduce waste, conserve resources, and support a sustainable future.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aifatah binti Mauburhan and I will present about methodology. The site visit to Akif Unggul Sdn Bhd focus on ground improvement strategy for road widening, specifically using remove and replace method and PVD. The remove and replace method involve excavating unsuitable soil with low strength and replace it with compact engineered fill like granular material. This improves the soil stability and ensure the foundation could support the highway weight and reducing risk of settlement. Next is PVD were installed to accelerate soil consolidation by draining water from soft, high water content soil. This enhances soil strength and stability, making it suitable for heavy load while speeding up the construction process. This technique ensures the highway structure integrity, long-term performance, and efficient construction under increased traffic demand. Next is study area. It is across Batu Pahat to Ahitam to Keluang Road. The two photo above is at Pusat Bandar Baru Ahitam, which use remove and replacement method. The other one is using by at Kampung Parit Kangkar, which using PVD.
Okay, for the discussion, A is the method of statement, which is a guidance for work program. So, guidance for work program is the detail or manual of procedure that describe how each operation or construction activity carried out safely and successful with achieve the requirements set by client. B, the environmental quality monitoring. So the environmental impact assessment and the quality of water, air, and noise will be measured every 3 months. Okay, for C, work program structure and S curve. So for S curve, we can divide into two, which is physical S curve and financial S curve. So under work program structure, the project completed on time without exceeds cost estimation. So D, the non-conformance report NCR project's quality of product. So under this report, it's record client complaint and provide suggestion or encourage of implement sustainability. So for the strategies or application of sustainability approach on waste project is number one, reuse material as alternative for waste management. Number one, reusing material help to promote the idea of a circular economy. Number two, lowering the need for raw resource and reducing waste. Number two is the replace sands with corridors, which is the source is not limited. Number one, replace the use of sand with corridors, which has the same function since price almost same, and also it's easy to find and also improve workability, strength, and durability. Number three, geotextile for geotreatment as flexible pavement. So it can enhance the pavement's performance and durability. Number two is also improve soil quality and also increase the load bearing capacity. So number four, geotextile L silt fence. It was used as a barrier for holding the sediment in silt fence and offer a practical and sustainable way to lessen the negative effect. So the last one is the surcharge improvement by using prefabricated drain. It was used in an area where settling is a concern and also can quicken the process of removing water and improve ground condition for construction also. So for the comparison sustainability construction between theoretically and on-site is, as we can see, use recyclable resource and maximize resources reuse. So for example, we can reduce and reuse existing soil and use PVD as your textile layer and silt fence. So number two, we for the theoretical, apply the life cycle cost and economic. But in on-site, we reuse the existing electric poles and close culverts as walkway. So the last one, the waste prevention and management, the on-site sustainability that implement on-site was the drainage work done before road work and the provide thumbsite for waste construction.
For the last part, which is conclusion, this project successfully bridged the gap between theoretical knowledge of sustainable construction and its practical application in real-world projects. By combining classroom learning with an industrial visit, we gain valuable insights into how sustainability approaches are implemented within the constraints of traditional project management objectives like time, cost, and quality. The analysis revealed both alignment and discrepancies between ideal sustainable practices and actual on-site implementation. While the construction industry's growing awareness of sustainability is evident, challenges remain in consistently integrating these practices into every stage of project development. This report highlights key areas where improvements can be made to better align real-world construction practices with the goals of sustainable development, ultimately contributing to a more environmentally responsible and resource-efficient construction industry.